Sims and Gemma, Ayandan Quain and Larito Senjati rise above tragedy. Trying to deal with the death of a loved one is difficult, so imagine trying to do it in front of the entire nation. Sims and Gemma, Ayandan Quain, and Larito Senjati all have one thing in common: they tragically lost their husbands, who were loved by thousands of fans. In the wake of tragedy, these women also picked up the pieces with amazing strength and became a beacon of hope for other widows. August marked 1 year since Sims and Gemma's husband, Dumi Macy Leela, was killed in a botched hijacking. Even though it's been difficult for Sims to continue living without the love of her life, she's managed to continue Dumi's legacy with incredible strength. Sims returned to acting by joining the cast of Isidingo and made Dumi's dream a reality by releasing his album on December 7th. On the day she completed Dumi's album, Sims said it was a difficult task but promised to continue making the dreams they shared a reality. Today is a difficult day, but I choose to focus on the positive. I've finally finished Dumi's album. It's been a difficult journey, but it's done. Look out for album launch and release dates. #UpHushIwi is still out on iTunes and all digital platforms. Sims added that she is committed to making Dumi's dreams come true because she also shared those dreams. For as long as I'm still alive, I will continue to make your dreams come true, only because they are mine too. Ayandan Quain. December 5th marked 2 years since Ayanda's sweetheart and gospel star, Sfiso, died after experiencing complications due to kidney failure. Ayanda and Sfiso started Quain Communications a few years ago, and despite naysayers, Ayanda has managed to continue running the company successfully. In fact, Ayanda has become a well-respected entrepreneur and gave Mzansi one of the biggest 2018 gospel hits, Ahi Moyo Wambai Abathandwe. Ayanda also published her debut book, For the Love of Sfiso Quain. Larito Senjati. Even though it's only been a few months since the hip-hop veteran HHP took his own life, his wife Larito Senjati's strength has been applauded. In the days that followed HHP's death, Larito became a symbol of hope for widows after she took her father-in-law to court and won. HHP's father, Robert Stambo, refused to recognize Larito as the star's customary wife and excluded her from all funeral arrangements. Larito took Robert to court, where it was ruled that according to customary law, she and HHP did enter into a customary union. She also bravely promised in front of the entire nation to always fight for what HHP wanted.